Hello guys, today we're going to build emergency alarm.
Let us see what components we will need. The base cardboard, some double-sided tape, a switch, a female to female jumper wire, a battery connector, a 9-volt battery, a buzzer. First connect the battery connector to the battery. Then stick the battery on the cardboard with some double-sided tape. Likewise, stick the switch on the cardboard and also the buzzer. Now take the female to female jumper wire and connect the positive wire of the battery connector and the positive wire of the buzzer together. After this, take the negative wire of the battery connector and hook it to one end of the switch. Now take the negative wire of the buzzer and hook it to the other end of the switch. Let's check the output. Thanks for watching.